Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw or cash out money from Sweat wallet. So if you want to do it with the Sweatcoin mobile application, then you just have to tap on Sweatcoin. So in the Sweatcoin application, basically you run the steps every single day and it will count your steps and then it will convert them into Sweat coins. As you can see over here that it has converted and shown me the balance that I have in the top. So if I click on the balance option in the top right hand corner, it will show you that you are working for crypto. So basically you are going to earn the Sweat coins. So here if you want to redeem it, then you can tap on this store option and here you are going to see various types of offers. Among these offers, you can even get the PayPal offer and the Amazon vouchers. So basically you can spend your Sweatcoin in order to get those offers and in order to get the subscription. But if you want to withdraw them into your bank account, then unfortunately it is not possible. You can only spend your Sweatcoins on purchasing or grabbing these offers. You just have to keep an eye on and you just have to continuously check it out, as you might get the PayPal, Cash App and the Amazon vouchers as well. So you just have to grab them before they become out of stock. Now this is the first method to cash out from the Sweatcoin wallet. Now if you have the Sweat wallet, which is the sister of a Sweatcoin wallet, then what you need to do is to simply download and install Sweat wallet into your account first. After that, it will show you your available balance in the top. Here you will be able to see the transfer option. So if you tap on transfer and then select the Sweatcoin, it will ask you to provide the address or the username. So you just have to open any other exchanges or wallets that support Sweat wallet. From there you just have to copy the address and paste it over here, and then you need to press the next button in the bottom. On the next step, you just have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to successfully withdraw your Sweat coins from your Sweat wallet. So I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.